What are the fluid requirements for an IBC cleaning kit? Here at Spray Nozzle People we sell two different IBC cleaning kits, an advanced model with a rotary jet cleaning head on it and a basic model with a rotating spinning spray ball head on it, which is a lower pressure system. What do they require in terms of fluid supply? The low pressure system with the spinning spray ball, this will run at about 3 bar fluid pressure and requires about 58 litres per minute to operate. We supply the kit with a pump. You can have it without a pump, but we can supply the complete kit with a pump that will actually operate at exactly those parameters. Now for the medium pressure system, this has the advanced rotary jet cleaner nozzle on it. This will run at about 5 bar pressure and will require, again, about 58 litres per minute in flow rate. Again, the pump we supply will be set to deliver any the pressure at the required flow rate. In terms of water quality, you'll need to use water that's free from grit and debris, as this can clog up either of the cleaning heads. Now obviously dirty washing water means you're not going to be cleaning the IBC properly either, so we need to filter out any such contaminants. But as long as you've got contaminant-free water with a supply of about 58 litres a minute, and you've got a pumping system either supplied with the kit or from your own pumps that can supply either 5 bar for the advanced system, 3 bar for the basic system, you'll be good to go.